In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a membership at Sam's Club. If you're ready to shop in store or online, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the membership plan that works best for you. Sam's Club typically offers two options. The club membership is the standard plan and gives you access to both in-club and online shopping. The Plus membership includes added benefits such as free shipping on eligible online orders over the qualifying minimum, early shopping hours at participating clubs, and extra savings on select services. Take a moment to compare the benefits so you can pick the option that best fits your shopping habits and budget. Once you've decided on a plan, the next step is to sign up. You can do this online by visiting the official Sam's Club website and selecting the Join option, or you can sign up in person by visiting the membership desk at your nearest Sam's Club location. If you prefer handling things digitally, the online option is quick and convenient. If you'd rather speak with someone directly, signing up in the club may feel easier. After that, you'll need to enter your information. This usually includes your full name, email address, phone number, and home address. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately, since this information is tied to your account and membership access. Next, select your membership term. Most memberships are billed annually, so this is a good time to review the membership details and pricing before moving forward. Reading through the plan information carefully can help you avoid confusion later, especially if you're deciding between the standard and upgraded membership. Then you'll add a payment method. Enter a valid credit card or debit card to pay the membership fee. Be sure to confirm that your billing information is correct so the purchase goes through smoothly. Before completing the purchase, take a final moment to review everything. Double check your personal details, your selected membership plan, and your payment information. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and submit your membership purchase. After your membership becomes active, you can start using it right away. Sign into your online account to begin shopping. You can also download the Sam's Club mobile app to access your digital membership card, which is a convenient option for shopping on the go. If you prefer a physical card, you can request one at the membership desk in a club. And that's how to get a membership at Sam's Club. Once you're signed up, you'll be ready to take advantage of the shopping options and membership benefits that come with your plan.